Hey guys, welcome to Casablanca Hunter, and this is the other Hunter Passport 3 that's in my grandparents' house. This one's in the office, and my phone is glitching out on me right now. I can't focus right now. The camera just won't focus. But anyway, here we go on low speed. So at home today, I tried making another Mario Kart video, and I failed miserably. It's all thanks to because everyone in the house keeps interrupting me. Actually, I was able to get successful Mario Kart videos before, but then I realized I didn't like them, so I ended up deleting them and keep doing it. I mean, it became a chain of a loop of where I just kept doing it over and over again, and this time I'm not gonna be deleting it, but I've only got one more day to do it because we're gonna go on a monthly long trip to Florida. Anyway, here we go on medium. Okay, the Hunter logo is right here. Okay, here it is. There. Now turn it to high speed. It's a very powerful ceiling fan. Certainly blows a lot of air. And, this is a childhood fan for me because I have been to this house since, I was born, so, yeah. All these ceiling fans, well, except for the Hampton Big Gazebo 2 and the Monte Carlo Mach 2, those weren't always here. Well, guys, thanks for watching this video, and bye.